So remember this, good design is not enough. Proper coordination is what makes a project successful. Many projects don't fail because of bad design, they fail because of poor coordination. So Navisworks is just not a software, it's a decision making tool. It helps you move from guessing to the planning stage. So if you want real growth in BIM career, you need to move beyond modeling because modeling is just a starting point. Let me tell you something very important. Many projects don't fail because of bad design, they fail because of poor coordination. Architectural team does their job, structural team does their job, NEP team does their job. But when everything comes together, problem starts. Pipe eating beams, then a duct crosses slabs, and then cable overlaps structures. So now imagine if this happening on a rear site, then what will happen? Your work will get stops, time delays, and cost increases. So this is a real problem in construction, and this is exactly what BIM coordination solves. So remember this, good design is not enough. Proper coordination is what makes a project successful. So many people ask that what is Navisworks? So let me explain in the simplest way. Navisworks is a software tool that helps you combine all models like architecture, structure or MEP, and then it shows you when and where things are clashing. So instead of finding problems on site, you find them in the model. Yes, and also fix them before construction starts. So this saves your time, saves the cost, and avoids confusion. So Navisworks is just not a software, it's a decision making tool. It helps you move from guessing to the planning stage. So now let's discuss about the growth and opportunity. Let's understand something very important. Why is BI coordination is a high value skill? Because one clash avoided can solve lakhs of rupees on site. So think about it. If a duct is wrongly placed on site, you need to break or redesign or reinstall it, right? That means material loss, labor cost, and time delay. But if you detect that clash before the constructions, you save everything and companies value this a lot. So that is why roles like BIM coordinator are becoming a high demand roles because they don't just create models, they prevent problems. There is a big difference between a BIM modeler and BIM coordinator. A BIM modeler creates the model like walls, beams, pipes or ducts. But a BIM coordinator checks how everything works together. They ask the questions. Will this pipe hit the beam? Will this duct pass properly? Will this system clash with the structure? So, modeler creates and coordinator connects. Remember this. And in a real project, connection matters more than the creation, and that is why coordination roles have higher value. So, most students make one mistake. They focus only on software like AutoCAD, Revit, or ATALs, but they ignore coordination. That is why competition is high in modeling but lower in coordination roles. But this creates an opportunity. So if you understand Navisworks and BIM workflow, you move into a different category. You are no longer just a learner, you become a problem solver, and that is what industry needs and same expect from candidates also. So let me simplify BIM workflow for you. AutoCAD gives the base drawings, Revit creates 3D models, and Navisworks check coordination, and BIM connects everything. So if you learn software separately, you feel confused and will not understand a BIM coordination work. But if you understand this workflow, everything becomes clear. Software is not the code, understanding the system is the code. So if you want real growth in BIM career, you need to move beyond modeling because modeling is just a starting point. Real value comes when you understand how project work, how system interact, how problems are getting solved, and this is where Navisworks comes in. It shifts your role from software user to project level thinker, and that is where career growth happens. So if you are serious about your career, don't just learn software, understand how everything connects: AutoCAD, Revit, structure, MEP, and coordination. And that is the exact BIM workflow. So if you want to understand how real BIM projects actually work, how software connects to job roles, and how to build a clear career path step by step in this BIM industry, then join the 3-day BIM career challenge. This is not a theory, this is the real industry clarity. So because direction matters more than efforts. So to join this challenge, the link is given in the descriptions, or you can scan the QR code appearing on this screen.